Enter. Agent Davis, have a seat. What is so important that you interrupt my busy day?
Sir, I've been doing some research and investigating on my own, and I have reason to believe that everything we know about birds is actually a lie. I think that they're actually government drones spying on the general public.
I don't have time for this conspiracy nonsense.
Sir, you don't have to have the time. Just grant me the ability to form a team and do some investigating of our own.
Absolutely not. If you move forward with this operation, I will be pulling your clearance because you are going against a direct order.
Sir, but it won't take any funding.
Do we have an understanding?
Yes, sir.
Get the hell out of my office.
All right, maybe you've seen the billboard near the Highland Strip or heard the story on Wednesdays Live at 9. A campaign called Birds Are Not Real brings its efforts to the Mid-South.
This is day 10 of the bird investigation. Nothing fruitful today either. I've been going at this for the past week and a half, and I don't know how much longer I can go sneaking around behind my boss's back. And if I haven't found anything at this point, I don't know if I'll ever find anything. But I feel like I'm just missing one piece of the puzzle, and I feel like it's just a little bit far past me, and I just can't quite get. Hold on, someone's at the door. Just got this strange package dropped off at the door. Not quite sure what this could mean. Oh my God. Sir, let me in. Got the evidence right here. Sir. Wait. No, don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Captain, the target has been eliminated.